Hey guys, did you miss me? I miss you guys. I'm back. Stay tuned and watch me make my green juice.
Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. 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 Top of them for know some man a leader. Shot at them ready for press the tree.
So these are all the products that we're gonna use. We're gonna use our lemon, our green apple, our mango. Then we're gonna go with cucumber. From there, we're gonna go with our sweet pepper. Yes, I did say sweet pepper, and then we're gonna put a little bit of ginger just to give it some spice. And then we're gonna have the main ingredients, which is the kale. Don't forget to use the kale. And I'm gonna use the orange juice just to top it off and to help with building the liquid. So guys, just keep on watching. It's gonna be self-explanatory. I'm just gonna peel what needs to be peeled and then cut, and you're gonna see it's quick, easy, and simple. So let me know if you tried and let me know how it tastes. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified when your girl posts a video. Leave a comment and let me know which other video you want me to do. See you in my next one. We're at the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you tried it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified when your girl posts a video. See you in my next one. Bye.